In this video, I will recommend a channel called Cucking Shalawats. This channel has reached 678,000 subscribers with more than 200 videos. The content focuses on cats singing or praying. The number of viewers is also quite significant. The increase in video views per day is an average of 90,000 views. In fact, there are videos that reach 73 million views, but the duration of the video is only around 3 minutes. What's interesting is, to create content like this, we don't need to have a pet or a camera. We can use one of those magical applications that allow us to create similar content. The question is, can content like this be monetized? The answer is yes, because we use our own voice to sing, not the voice of a robot or someone else, and of course this content can be monetized. To get pictures or videos of cats like this, we can search the internet, look for free ones, for example from Google. Let's take a look at one of the videos with the title Cucking Jemoy Nyani Tepuk Wudu. This video features a cat singing. Although the channel is Cucking Shalawat, not all of the videos are about prayers. There are also those who just sing normally. So, for those of you who are non-Muslims, you can use content like this as your content idea. The number of videos on this channel is quite a lot, and the audience is also quite large, tens of thousands. This shows that there is a market that is interested in this kind of content, both children and adults. Next, we will discuss income on the Cucking Shalawats channel. If we check Social Blade sites, his estimated monthly income is around $687 to $11,000. If we look at video views per day, the average number is quite high, around 91,000 views. In fact, in recent times, the number of impressions could reach 2.7 million. With income like this, it can be said that the Cucking Shalawat channel is very profitable. Alright, so to make videos of cats singing like before, you can use the My Talking Pet app. You can download the application from the Play Store if you are using Android, or from the App Store if you are using an iPhone. After downloading it, open the application. I just opened it and don't know if this app is paying or not. However, we can use the free version or try the trial. If you want to access the full features, there is an option to subscribe per year or per month. Let's try the free version first. App display like this. Here, we can create a video by clicking on the Creative or New Plus icon. For those who don't have pictures of cats or other pets, you can use the pictures provided below. Now let's immediately try to make the video. Then we can search for the cat images that we downloaded earlier. For example, I'm using an image from the Pexels. After that, if it is to your liking, click Check. You will be asked to adjust the mouth and face so that the cat's movements look good. You can customize it yourself or use the auto detect feature if you're lazy. When finished, click Save/Share button. Now, the cat's movements can be seen, such as its moving eyes and lips. Furthermore, your task is only to record videos or sing. You can sing as you wish, you don't have to pray or anything else. Most importantly, entertaining. To record sound, click the record button. It's important to use your own voice and not use someone else's music or voice, as that would be copyright infringement and you won't be able to monetize the video. So, use voiceover with your own voice. Here, I immediately tried as an example.
Smoke like butter, like criminal undercover.
After recording sound, you can play the video to see the result.
Smoke like butter, like criminal undercover.
Wow, looks very similar to the one on the Cooking Shalawat channel earlier. You can also change the sound effect. For example, adjust the pitch level or volume.
Smoke like butter, like criminal undercover.
Let's get it down to 50% and see what happens.
Smoke like butter, like criminal undercover.
Oh, it turns out that if lowered, the sound becomes bigger. Let's increase it to 200.
Smoke like butter, like criminal undercover.
Now it's very similar to the video on the Cooking Shalawat channel earlier. You can use this app for your own content, such as a singing cat. To save the video, click the Save or Share button. You can save the videos you have made to your phone's gallery. Let's see.
Smoke like butter, like criminal undercover.
However, unfortunately, there is a watermark here because we are using the free version. However, you can easily cut the watermark while editing videos. So guys, that's how easy it is to make such cat videos. You only need one magical application. In this way, you can be more productive. In one day, you can make a lot of videos just by singing like that. You don't even have to show your own face. If you're not confident about your voice, you can also edit the sound like before, changing it to a more unique voice. You only need to rely on your own voice to sing. Okay, I'm sure you all understand what I've said from beginning to end. If anything is still unclear or if you have questions, please leave a comment. I will answer them one by one. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss information about how to make money from the internet. This video only shares an idea that might be a reference if you are confused about finding content ideas for your channel. Hopefully everything I have said is useful for all of you. See you in the next video.